Welcome to my YouTube channel, Classes for 9th class children, Maths classes for 9th class children. This is the second video. If you visit my channel first time, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more updates about my videos, and like it and share it to your friends. So let's go to our today's class. Before going to that class, I already uploaded 2 videos in the YouTube. If you not watched the 2 videos, please do watch that videos. I will give the links. I will provide the links in the description box. So let's go to the today's class. So we are studying in this chapter about rational numbers. So rational numbers are a number which can be expressed in the form of p by q. P and q are integers. Q does not equal to 0. So suppose find two rational numbers between 2 and 3. What numbers? 2 and 3. So how many we have to find two rational numbers between? Yes, two rational numbers we have to going to find. Two rational numbers we should find. Two rational numbers we are going to find between these two numbers. So how do you find? There is a two method. First method is mean method. Mean method. First one is mean method. So in this, a is equal to, we have to take a as a 3, b as a 4. Now mean means average. We have to find these two average. We get the between number of this 3 and 4. So a plus b by 2. So 3 plus 4 by 2, that is 7 by 2. So this is the between number, between rational number of 3 and 4. So we can write that 3 is less than 7 by 2 less than 4. Now we are going to find one more number. If you take this is a and this is the b, you can find between of these two numbers, or one more chance also there. You have to take this as a, this is b. So now again you do add these two numbers and doing division by 2, you get the one more rational number. So now I am here taking a as a 3 and b is equal to 7 by 2. Now once I have go to find one more number. So I mean a plus b by 2 is equal to 3 plus 7 by 2 by 2. That is equal to by 1 means cross multiplication here. 3 2 is 6, 1 7 is 7 by 2 whole by 2. So here 13 by 2 whole by 2 by 1, 2 by 1. So which is 13 by 2 into 1 by 2. 13 by 2 into 1 by 2. Why? Because it is a fraction of fraction by fraction. We should multiply. If a fraction is divided by fraction, we multiplied the reciprocal of fraction. So 13 ones are 13 and 2 2s are 4. This is the number. This is the rational number lies between 3 and 7. Therefore, we can write 3 is less than 13 by 4 less than 7 by 2, sorry, 3 less than 13 by 4 less than 7 by 2 less than 4. These are the two rational number lies between. This is the mean method. One more method, we have to equate the denominators. Second method. Second method. What is the second method? We have to equate the denominators. So 3 we can write in a rational number 3 by 1. So 4 we can write 4 by 4 is equal to 4 by 1. How many we want to find? Yes, 2. So 2 plus 1 it is equal to 3. So how many ask find lies between numbers? We have to increase it by 1. So that's why I am 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So the denominator should be equal to 3. That's why I multiply with 3 and denominator also multiply with 3. Here also 4 multiply by 3 and 1 also multiply by 3. So it is 9 by 3 comma 12 by 3. 9 by 3 and 12 by 3. So what are the numbers lies between? Yes, there is a two numbers 10 by 3 and 11 by 3. These two numbers are lies between these two irrational numbers. Okay. Now I am going to explain terminating and non-terminating. So if you give one rational number, suppose which is sorry, we are going to do these problems. So find 5 rational numbers between 2 and 3 by mean method. Which method? Mean method. Solution given. What he has given? A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3. Mean method means A plus B by 2. So A plus by B2 is equal to 2 plus 3 by 2, that is equal to 5 by 2. Now here now A is equal to 2, B is equal to 5 by 2. Then again you have to find a rational number lies between these two numbers. So that is also A plus B by 2, that is equal to 2 plus 5 by 2 whole by 2 by 1. So 2 2s are 4, cross multiplication 4 plus 5 1s are 5 by 2 whole by 2, that is equal to 9 by 2 by 2 by 1. So how like it is? Fraction by fraction. Then you multiply the fraction with reciprocal. So 9 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is equal to 9 by 4. So now you have to take again. Now again A is equal to 2, B is equal to 9 by 2. So A plus B by 2 is equal to 2 plus 9 by 2 whole by 2 by 1. So that is equal to, do cross multiplication, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 9s are 9 by 2 whole by 2, that is equal to 13 by 2 whole by 2, that is equal, how like it is? Fraction by fraction. So we have to multiply with the reciprocal. Sorry, it is 4 no. So it is 4, 9 by 4. So 4 2s are 8 it is. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 by 4, it is 4. 19 by 4. So 17 by 4 fraction we have to multiply with reciprocal. So now it is 17 by 8. This is the fraction lies. This is the rational number lies between 2 and 2 by 4. 2 by, see, 9 by 4. Sorry, 9 by 4. 2 comma 9 by 4. So now we have how many find 1 2 3. 2 more we have to find it. So a is equal to 5 by 2. Now I am taking this first one, 5 by 2. B is equal to 3. So now I am doing to, no problem, you have to take this one, or you have to take this one, and 2 also you can take. Okay, now a plus b by 2, a plus b by 2 is equal to 5 by 2 plus 3 whole by 2, that is equal to, by 1 keep 1, so do cross multiplication. 5 plus 6 by 2 whole by 2, that is equal to 11 by 2 by 2. 11 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is equal to 11 by 4. What is that? 11 by 4. I find 4. One more fraction I want, one more rational number I want to find. So now again a is equal to 11 by 4 and b is equal to 3. So we have to find mean of these two rational numbers. A plus b by 2 is equal to 11 by 4 plus, which is 3. So 3 by 2. So keep 1 and do cross multiplication again. So 11 ones are 11 plus 4 3s are 12 by 4 whole by 2, that is equal to 23 by 4 by 2 fraction. So fraction, we have a fraction by fraction. So what we do, so 23 by 4 into 1 by 2, that is equal 23 by 8 is the answer. You have to write down this, do this problem in the classwork. So one more problem also there, do this problem. So question is find the 10 rational numbers. So second question, find the 10 rational numbers 10 rational numbers lies between minus 3 by 11 and 8 by 11. So we know that what are solution given minus 3 by 11 and 8 by 11. So here we have the denominators are same. What we have same? Denominators are same. So what are the difference between minus 3 and 8? How many numbers are lies between? We know that more nearly 10, I think. So I am going to write the numbers. We just asked the 10 real numbers. So what are the numbers? Minus 2 by 11 and minus 1 by 11 comma 0 and 1 by 11 and 2 by 11 and 3 by 11 and 4 by 11 and 5 by 11, 6 by 11. How many are? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 7 by 11. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the 10 numbers lies between minus 3 by 11 and 8 by 11, which are rational numbers. So today I am going to stop here today's class. Tomorrow I am going to discuss a new topic. So please, if you not subscribe my channel, please do subscribe my channel and like it and share it to your friends. Ask your friends to watch these videos and encourage to watch these videos. Thank you, one and all.